Hey, what's going on? A lot of you have noticed a strange looking house that's been in the background here of my shop for quite some time. Well, it's actually a book library that we created with the SLUGME 8 team. Basically, each year Dan Wagner assembles a crew of artists, designers, engineers, and overall maker maniacs to build something that's both fun and has an impact. And this was built at the 3D Experience Lab in Waltham, Massachusetts. However, we didn't exactly have enough time to get it completed 100%. So ever since, it's been absolutely haunting me on my to-do list. But good news, I recently got it 100% finished, and I really want to show it off to everyone before the local school comes and picks it up tomorrow. Since this Bookhouse is going to be outside, this vinyl material is not going to last, so we need to replace it with something much stronger. My kids were super excited to jump in and help me get this thing finished. We secured the 3D printed boiler on the side of the house and positioned all the cast rocks. I decided to let the 5-minute epoxy cure for about 16 months. I wanted to make sure the epoxy was good and set. Plus, I had a bunch of other projects that really needed my attention. Once I was finally able to get back, I started by gluing the book pages into position and nailing down the birdhouses onto the roof. I then used burlap and spray adhesive to cover the spine of the book before coating it in jesmonite. Jesmonite is a water-based material made from acrylic resin and gypsum. You can apply it with a paintbrush, and in just minutes, it's like stone. This is the same process we did on the tree stump. After I finished painting all the details on the house, I went ahead and gave everything a very heavy dose of automotive clear coat. I used silicone to make sure everything was weatherproof. The last step was to open up the X-Apps and model up some fun 3D birds. These 3D prints will act as plugs for the actual birdhouses. The school thought it'd be best that we don't have functional birdhouses on top of the library. Now I have to admit, I had way too much fun busting out my paintbrushes and giving these birds some color. This project was so much fun, and SLUGME is all about learning and sharing knowledge and our design and crafting experiences with one another. I absolutely love working with this team and learning from them, and I'm so proud of what we've created here. And I know this is going to look amazing outside the local school, and I know it'll definitely help inspire kids to read more, and I really can't wait to see what this SLUGME team creates next.